Battle Angel. Hey friends, GL1 here, and thinking that you all might be craving something different than dinosaurs. I've been wanting to do a show on this for quite a while, and now's a good time. You know, I'm been back from outer space and all that. I want to do a show on Alita Battle Angel action figure that I custom made. The thing is when I really like this movie a lot, and I looked up to try to get one of these action figures, and they're very exclusive and very expensive, $200 or $300, and I'm just not going to do that. So I thought, well, can I make this figure? And I was looking at my inventory of figures and thinking, do I have anything with a similar body and a similar head? And as it turns out, I had this. So this is League of Legends, and this is the figure Fiora. Dropped her sword. And this is the figure that was inside this package, this League of Legends that is clearance for $477, that actually was even half off of that. So I bought two of these. So this is the Fiora figure, and then this is her sword. And any of you out there that have seen the Alita Battle Angel know that she has a really cool sword in this. So, of course I need a head, right? I need a head that can look like Alita. And I looked at my Kira figure from the Han Solo movie from 2018, Emilia Clarke, her. So, here is that figure, the Kira figure, and the Fiora figure. She's from 2018, this is 2016. That's, I guess, why it was on clearance, because it'd probably been sitting on the shelf for like 3 years. And I thought, I can take these two figures and merge them together and make Alita. So, let me show you how similar that is. So those marks under her eyes, she didn't have those throughout the whole movie, just at the end when she was going into battle. So as you can see, I think I did a pretty good job of coming up with a figure that's pretty close. And let me show you how I did that. So I took the Emilia Clarke figure, and her hair is brown. See that? So the first thing I had to do was paint her hair black. And then I had to paint her eyebrows black. And that was all I needed to do with the hair, with the head on that. Well, then you have this League of Legends character. And first thing I had to do was I had to cut off this cloak here. And then I had some painting to do. And I have a really nice, high quality, metallic purple. And so you can see I painted the stomach, I painted the forearm, see it was gray and now it's got purple on it. I painted her back from the red to the purple spots. And then of course I painted the sword. Alright, so I painted that purple. And now I have a body that purple and silver, just like Alita. And then I swapped the heads. And there's my Alita figure. Well, of course, now I have a leftover figure, right? I have the Kira figure, and then I have a League of Legends head left over. So I thought, well, I'll make my own character there. So I wanted to make a Star Wars assassin character. So I took the League of Legends head from that, and you see I painted the visor like silver. And I actually put sparkles in her hair. I don't know if that's showing up, but there's sparkles in her hair. And you can see that. And then I took the Emilia Clarke body and I cut the jacket off and the skirt. So you see that? And then I thought, well, my assassin doesn't look right with, this sort of these puffy arms to a jacket, right? So I thought, well, let me actually put a cloak on her. So I thought, well, who has a cloak that doesn't really need one? Oh, I actually, that's what it was. I cut the skirt too. See how I cut that at an angle? So I didn't just cut it all off. I just sort of cut it in what I thought was a cool way. And I thought, well, my Rey character, which is the Island Journey 2018 Rey character from Star Wars Black Series, she doesn't really need the cloak, so I gave the cloak to my assassin, and so now I have a Star Wars assassin figure. But most importantly, this didn't cost that much to do, right? And so I got the Fiora League of Legends character for about $2.50, and then the Emilia Clarke, the Kira figure, also was on clearance for like $10, down from $20, and so for about $13, I made my Alita figure. So there you go. Anyway, so I hope this inspires you, that if you see something that you want to make, maybe cost too much, or just for fun, you want to make something. Well, it's possible. I think it's possible to do a reasonably great job and practice your painting. So, right. Also, I had to match the paint. See, I had to cut the neck, this rubber neck piece off, and then I had to match the paint to her skin. So you can practice that with acrylic paints. I happen to be, for no particular reason, very good at that. And I was able to match the face and the neck skin quite well. Some people really need to practice that. And, you can use your pinks, your orange, your whites, and just kind of like mix around and see what you can get. Of course, it all depends on the skin tone. If you have to go browns and reds, sometimes you have to mix in. So see what you can come up with. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will be seeing you soon. Take care.